off the ship today in Avalon, Catalina Island. Of course, we're going to get on a water shuttle. And I got to wear a mask, although everyone else isn't wearing a mask. So, let's go up. So we were just there. Our cabin is right up there next to the bridge. And of course it's Flag Day today. Flag Day, long may it wave, right? Flag Day. So we have to wait for the shuttle to get completely filled. And then we're going to go right over there to that dock. And we're going to take a walk up to the Botanical Gardens. So we're on the water shuttle. Janet and I, port monkeys. There's the Radiance, Carnival Radiance. Here's some people taking pictures, selfies we'll call them. And we're only going to right there. Right? Somebody asked me if they'll ever build a cruise ship pier here in Catalina. My answer is probably not. But we're going to take a walk up to the Wrigley Botanical Garden. Of course, Wrigley Mansion is up there on top of the hill. You probably can't see it very well. It's got an American flag flying. So there's Janet. She's waiting to get off. Because when I said let's go that way, she didn't. But they're letting people off in two different gangways.
Rotate every 15 to 20 minutes. Right here at gate 5, okay?
She's helping people with strollers and babies and who knows what. Look at Pasty, Liam, and Daniel. And me, wearing a mask, which I'm going to take off in just a moment. There's the shuttle we came in on. There's another one. This might be important to you. Remember to look at that sign before you get off. It's about 1:15 right now, so we have 2.5 hours to get up there. Google Maps says it's 1.7 miles, so 3 kilometers or so up in this canyon. But we're going to go around the bay a little bit and up Catalina Boulevard, Avenue, Street, Road. Right here at the wet spot,
Like, you know.
you could rent wetsuits and master the snorkel. So remember that if you want to do that. And if you go around there to Lover's Cove, Pebbly Beach, about a 1/4 mile, there's a really great snorkeling spot. So rent your equipment there and walk over there. Check out our video about it. Right there at the tenders. Walk down here. This is the main drag in Avalon. There's a lot of tours you can get out on that pier. I think they refer to it as the Green Pier. Not that that's important. So we want to turn on Catalina. Ferry terminal, water shuttles. Walk down the road. There's the Green Pier. Don't miss it. Look for it in some of our other videos. And we're going to go up Catalina Avenue. Because that's where the excitement is. But it's a road all the way up into, you know, the heart of the island, maybe. Up Catalina Avenue a little bit. There was lots of restaurants and bars there, very crowded. This is where a lot of tour buses go out of, this parking lot. And right through there is a miniature golf. You can also buy tour tickets at a booth over there. That's in another one of our videos though. So we're going to walk up here, like I said, about 1.5 miles. The avenue kind of dead ends here. And there are a lot of golf carts, so be careful. There's the pier down there. And then, so you're going to make a quick right, and then a left. Correct? They don't really let cars or golf carts go on it much. When I was a kid, we rented a house down there several times over the years. But we're going to cross and go up this way. Hey, there's a golf cart going in. Maybe. And there's a park here, and then over there, up there is a golf course. Let's cross over here. A lot of streets merge right here. I call this Kids Park Fit Trail. 275 it says, and a couple of public restrooms. Free. Playground and imitation grass. Or unnatural grass. AstroTurf. We're going to go up into that canyon there, I believe. Right around that bend on the left. There's walkways up. We come to a fork in the road. Go left. Go left. I think that dead ends up there in a little ways, but this one doesn't. This is the golf course. I don't know how much it is to play there, but it would be fun, wouldn't it? And this is the sand trap. So I'm guessing a bar or a restaurant for the golf course with happy hour, breakfast, lunch, full bar, 2 tacos, 2 to 7. Doesn't say how much. $2 taco happy hour, 2 to 6 every day. $2 tacos plus tax, $3 bud, pitchers are 12, lime margaritas $6, a pitcher for $22. Could we drink a pitcher in an hour? Janet says, sure, she'd like to try. Bless you.
Thank you.
They're going to build a K-12 school here. I think there's already a school here. They're just going to make it a bigger, better one. Some condos up there. This thing. Do you know what it is? Because I don't. Drought in California affects Catalina Island also. Coming from way down there. By the way, this is Avalon Canyon Road we're on now. And there's a fork in it. Stay to the left again. Stay to the left. About halfway. It's taken 24 minutes to get here. Although we started off a little slow looking at stuff. To the bird park, which I don't think is in operation any longer. Although they have a soda machine, they have restrooms. I think it's soda, yeah. And a snack machine. But now it says private property, no trespassing. I don't see any birds. But there it is. $2.75 still.
The bathrooms are both open.
Yeah, the doors on the bathrooms are open. They even have windows. So, we'll head up more. We're walking alongside the golf course. Of course, there's a long, narrow strip in this canyon valley. We've come to LA County Fire Department, Station 55. Remember, Catalina's in LA County. Avalon. And I'm not going to kid you, it's a long uphill hike. I mean, we've only gone a little over a mile, but it's uphill the whole way after you leave the city. But soccer and baseball there. This is Joe Machado Field. So we have another half mile or so to go. So we've come across this sign. Nature Center is closed, but the Botanical Garden is open. 1/2 mile. So, we're almost there. Nature Center at Avalon Canyon, which is closed today. And I'm not sure what its purpose is anyway, other than to have nature. A lot of golf carts. Not to mention bicicleta. And I'm thinking we're almost there. There's another one of those signs pointing up. But that says it's still 0.3 miles. Holy moly. There's the Nature Center that's closed. We came from, of course, down there. And we are at Hermit Gulch Campground. I think we're still going to head up this way. because that would be into the campground over there. So this would be around it. Campground, and I guess they have a little store here. They probably have bathrooms here too. And a Garibaldi Express.
For $2. It's a bus ride.
A bus ride for $2. That's a bus stop. Now recently, somebody commented that I had a soothing voice. And I don't find it soothing, but maybe you do. And that's a good thing. So this is the upper end of the campground. That looks like a bathroom right there. And we came to this sign that this is the beginning of the Catalina Trail and Hermit Gulch Trail. Now Hermit Gulch is like right here. Catalina, I suppose, goes 25 miles to the end of the island. And then we reached this. And that. And that. And that. And of course more golf carts. And more coming. Bicycles, people. Wrigley Memorial and Botanical Garden, open 8 to 5.
$10 admission.
So it costs $10 to get in here. Oh, 8 for me. But that's it. So if you want to come up here, come on up. You notice all the golf carts just turn and go back. They do have souvenirs. Apparently drinks for sale. Here's another little view of the Botanical Garden. I think they have trees and plants and little signs that say what they are. Unfortunately, we have to be back on the ship in an hour and a half, so we're gonna just head back and maybe some other day go inside. There are cages around these. Are they that valuable? This is the same thing. Oh, maybe not.
Maybe the deer come down there.
Oh, down deer. Down.
Deer down.
Anyway, I'm sure it's a short walk back, shorter than it was coming. These Matahia poppies, also known as Matilda hop. That one's got a bee in it, and its bonnet. Came down from the Botanical Garden to see all the golf carts on the road, and then we cut in here because there's restrooms and there's showers if you need them, but I'm just going to go in here. Somebody has left their clothes. It's dark in here. Oh, they have a toilet. Watch out for these. Those are smart. When they hit you. When you hit them. Those are big ones too. Botanical Gardens was up that road. We're heading back down. I just wanted you to get a good look at this rope. It's become part of the tree. I'm guessing the purpose at one time was to keep people out of the yard, but now they have a fence, or fences. So I don't know how long that rope's been there. I will say that it's very heavy. And those are big trees. They've been chopped on top. Anyway, we came from up there, as you all know, and now we're down in the heart of town again. See, this guy's, I don't know what he's doing. stopping. Liquor store. Coyote Joe's. And there's the Green Pier. Let's take a walk out on that. Luau Larry's. We went up that way. Casino. Not a gambling casino. Theater and things like that. Fish and chips. Avalon Harbor Pleasure Pier. Pride flag, I think. Some extra colors in that one. Of course, there used to be a beach over there. Now it's rocks. Plenty of ATMs though. And junior lifeguards. Fishing tackle, pedal boats, kayak, snorkel, more fish and chips. When I was a kid, that was abalone dogs. Hot dogs made with abalone. Because there was an abundance of abalone. Of course, now they're rare and $40 a pound. Catalina Adventure Tours, activities and tours, dive and snorkel. So from Catalina Island, I'm Gareth.
I'm Janet.
Saying,
Port Monkeys out.
see you in the next port.
Bye.
Bye. So this is the line to get back on the tender, the water shuttle. Notice it goes all the way down there. And then zigzags here a few times. See that? And then there's Daniel Nasty in the end. Hey! And there's the water shuttle. And there's the ship. Here comes another shuttle. Wah, wah. Wah, wah. Are you telling me I wasn't...